Om Shanti. Welcome to the second episode of Power to Cooperate. Yesterday we learned about difference between cooperation and interference. Sometimes we never recognize that we are interfering in others' work on the name of cooperation. And one more very important thing, that cooperation is a fortune to actually become a part of big work. We all are interdependent. We all actually affect each other. So, independence or not getting affected by means if I say I am totally emotionally independent, it is not that true. Yes, we can practice for. So, at energy levels, we all are connected. And at energy levels, I can make effect on others. I can get affected by others. I can stop their effect on me also. Energy levels followed by material level also. So, all our emotions, mood swings, feeling of joy and sorrow, everything is dependent on my energy technique, what is going around me. Meditation helped me to understand this energy behavior more clearly and in a more versatile way. So, when we meditate, we create some good energies. We get associated with bigger energy cobweb, energy net, and then we can actually make a ripple effect to transfer my energies to other people and to receive their energies, or what energies I'm receiving, I can stop receiving those energies. So, at every instance in our life, at every step, we cooperate each other and we do receive cooperations. Cooperating each other, we need to take care of some points. When I have to cooperate somebody, I have to check myself whether I'm not interfering in their job. I'm coming with a core of good wishes. I am not changing the master of work. I am not changing the main idea of the work. And instead of expecting some rewards from that work, instead, there was a very beautiful question yesterday that how to reduce, because when I do some work wholeheartedly, I really expect something from them. So how to reduce this expectation? And the answer came, it was like, if I keep an expectation from myself rather than them. So rather than receiving regard, respect, recognition from them, if I kept this expectation, that may be fulfilled, may not be fulfilled. But if I keep one expectation from myself, that participating, instead of feeling that cooperating in that, I should feel like I am participating in their work. I am participating to learn something. I am participating to gain experience. I am participating to be the part of big work. I'm participating to get blessings from other. So all these things are from this side. So all these things can work easily. And that is why you will feel every work profitable and you will work for it. So keeping all these things in our mind, today we will cooperate each other and we will go for one activity which will almost, it is a type of revision activity for all our sessions. So for this activity, we are trying to make a story. The beginning and the end of the story is given, but we have to create all the story. What we are going to do with you, we will divide you in different groups. And once you reach to your group, You will be given some stories, some topics, and then you have to create a story. The beginning and the end of a story is given, and you have to complete the story using different powers. So using the scenario given and the inner power of superhero that you learned in past sessions, write a short story on in your own word and share it. So here there is a so this group activity was made just to see that how practically we can think to use all these powers in our day-to-day life, because all these powers are very much useful in our practical situations. It is so if you forget that you have some money in your wallet, then how will you use that? If you want to use your money, you have to remember what you have. And that is why a hero remembers what he has and what he has left. Continuing with the same series further next week. Next week will be a full whole meditation week. So in that meditation, we will revise those powers and we will actually turn out that inner superhero. Oh, superhero turn around. And now you can see the face of superhero. So next week, what we will do, we will put our face on the superhero face. And then we will realize that inner powers, what we learned, because the first step is knowledge. I know something, then I accept something. Then I accept that quality, I start use of that quality. When I start use of that quality, I become master of that quality. And that is how I become a hero. So next week it will be a meditation experiment for final quest and becoming a superhero. This is all for this week.